Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're in the Vollrath Test Kitchen today to learn how to operate the Tune-up Kit for your Lidsaver2 dispenser. Push the piston to the back of the tube to expose and properly wipe the bottom of the tube. To adjust your lid saver, start by removing the housing and loosening the 4 pager screws. Push the loosened pagers inward. Then, place the pager template onto the flange with the tabs in the 4 pager slots and the template code facing up and out. Gently push the 4 pagers out until they touch the tabs on the pager template. This will allow the pagers to determine proper alignment and fit snugly against the lids. Finally, tighten the pager screws and remove the template. To learn more about this or any other Vollrath product, visit us online at vollrath.com.